Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to unpin the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unpin the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone? So first, if I just selected multiple things and just pinned to the notes, you can see the pinned notes actually on the top 5 notes has been pinned. I just need to unpin the note. The same process can be repeated. First of all, you can just go inside this notes and you have this pin option on the top. Click on this. You can see the symbol has been changed. Now the note has been unpinned. The second way, you just long press on the note and just click on the pin option on the top. It will say as unpinned. Click on this, the note will be unpinned. You can also multiple notes can be unpinned by just long press it. Just select the notes. You just need to unpin it and then click on the pin option on the top and pin option on the top. Click on this so the notes will be unpinned. So this is how you just unpin the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.